Today we'll discuss about heterocyclic chemistry part 2. It is important for B Pharm 4th semester student. What is pyrazole? Pyrazole is an important 5-membered heterocyclic compound possessing a nitrogen atom as heteroatom. Plays important role in the chemistry of living organism. The essential structure features of chlorophyll, alkaloids, vitamin B12, which consist of 4 pyrrole ring held together by bridges. Structure of pyrrole. Pyrrole has 3 pair of delocalized pi electrons. 2 of the pairs are shown as bonds and third pair is shown as a pair of non-bonding electrons. 1 on the heteroatoms. These non-bonding electrons are in a sp2 hybrid orbital perpendicular to the p orbitals. Since it is cyclic planar molecule with 3 pairs of delocalized electrons, fulfills the criteria of aromaticity. Some different presentation model of pyrrole. First, explicit structure of pyrroles with aromaticity indicated by dashed bond. Second, numbered skeletal structure of pyrrole. Ball and stick model of pyrrole molecules. Space filling model of pyrrole molecule. Pyrrole is less aromatic than thiopane and more aromatic than furan. Thiopane, therefore, the orbital diagram of pyrrole is. According to the resonance theory, pyrrole is considered as a resonance hybrid of the following contributing structures. Among the resonance contributing structures 1, 2 and 3 are the main contributing structures of the resonance hybrid, and hence resonance hybrid has a larger electron density at position 2nd and 5 than at 3rd and 4th. Preparation and synthesis of pyrrole. Pyrrole is obtained commercially by distillation of coal tar. It is synthesized in the laboratory by the following methods: from furan, from distillation of succinamide, from acetylene and ammonia, Pall-Knorr synthesis. First, from furan. Furan on heating with ammonia in the presence of alumina gives pyrrole. From distillation of succinamide, pyrrole is also obtained by the distillation of succinamide with zinc dust. From acetylene and ammonia, pyrrole can also be prepared by passing acetylene and ammonia through a red hot tube. Pall-Knorr synthesis. Pyrrole derivatives are synthesized by treating 1,4-diketone with primary amine. Physical properties of pyrrole. Compound name is pyrrole, IUPAC name 1,4-pyrrole, synonym azole. State liquid and solid, appearance colorless, solubility springly soluble in water, easily soluble in organic solvent. Molecular formula is C4H5N. Boiling point is 129 to 131 degrees Celsius. Melting point is 23 degrees Celsius. Chemical nature weak acid and weak base. Amphoteric properties of pyrrole. Pyrrole is weak base because the lone pair of electrons of nitrogen atom contributes to the pi electron cloud. Hence, the availability of these electrons is decreased and consequently it is a very weak base. Pyrrole also exhibit weak acidic property. The weak acidic property is due to its formation of potassium pyrrole with potassium hydroxide. Aromaticity. Pyrrole have 4 carbon and 1 nitrogen. All are sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridization is planar. It makes a planar pyrrole ring structure. Each ring atom also contains unhybridized p orbital that is perpendicular to the plane of sigma bonds. Here p orbitals are parallelly to each other, so overlapping between p orbitals is possible. The total number of non-bonding electrons are 6, 4 of 4 carbon, 2 from 1 nitrogen. The resonance of 6 electron follows the Huckel's rule, so the pyrrole is aromatic. Pyrrole behaves both as a weak acid and exhibits the following chemical reactions: reduction reaction, oxidation reaction, ring expansion reaction, Reamer-Tamer reaction, ring opening reaction, and electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Reduction reaction. Pyrrole on reduction with zinc and acetic acid gives 2,5-dihydropyrrole, which on reduction with hydrogen, iodide and red phosphorus gives pyrrolidine. Reduction reaction. Pyrrole is oxidized to maleimide with chromium trioxide in acetic acid. Ring expansion reaction. Pyrrole ring expands on heating potassium pyrrole with chloroform and sodium ethoxide. Reamer-Tamer reaction. In presence of a strong base and chloroform pyrrole undergoes Reamer-Tamer reaction to form pyrrole to aldehyde. Ring opening reaction. Pyrrole ring structure opens and forms succinaldehyde dioxime on refluxing with ethanolic hydroxylamine. Electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Pyrrole undergoes electrophilic aromatic substitution more readily at carbon 2 than carbon 3 position. Mechanism of electrophilic aromatic substitution. Electrophilic aromatic substitution of pyrrole involves the following step. First step is generation of electrophiles. Second step is attachment of pyrrole to the aromatic ring to from intermediate carbocations. Third step is elimination of proton from carbocation to from substitution products. In pyrrole, electrophilic substitution takes place at 2 or 5 position. If these positions are filled, substitution takes place at 3 or more position. This can be explained as follows. Substitution occurs preferentially at carbon 2 because the intermediate carbocation obtains by putting the substituents at this position is more stable than the intermediate carbocations obtained by placing a substituent at carbon 3. The intermediate resulting from carbon 2 substitution has 3 resonance contributors. They both are positive charge on a relatively stable secondary allyl carbon. The intermediate resulting from carbon 3 substitution has only 2 resonance contributors and has positive charge on a primary carbon, which is unstable. Thus, substitution at carbon 2 predominates. Medicinal use and compounds of pyrrole. Pyrrole used as a commercial solvent. The following medicinal compounds possesses pyrrole heterocyclic ring system. Procyclidine. Chemically, procyclidine is alpha-phenyl 1-pyrrolidine propanol. It is an antimuscarinic drug used in the treatment of Parkinsonism. Antimuscarinic drugs are the agents that blocks the activity of muscarinic acetylcholine receptors. Thank you everyone.